Here's a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. Versatility, safety, connectivity, beauty. To a T, this is the Pacifica. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: entertainment system with Blu-ray and digital media, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, keyless enter and go, heated steering wheel, V6 engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and heated leather bucket seats. Car and Driver notes, amazingly, through the blizzard of new tech and safety equipment the Pacifica brings, the most impressive item is still Chrysler's super clever stow-and-go second row seats that drop into the floor to expand cargo capacity. Chrysler, where top-flight engineering meets affordable luxury. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
ELCO Chevrolet Cadillac has been in business since 1985. Call or stop in today. We are conveniently located just 5.5 miles west of 270 at 15110 Manchester Road in Baldwin, Missouri.